Data owners need to be reviewing access rights on a regular basis. That's the only way that organizations can guarantee that only the right people have access to data. If a folder doesn't have a data owner, then IT is left making these decisions, and they're not the ones with the right knowledge and authority to do that. First, we need to identify which folders need owners. Which of our data sets are critical and need to have their access rights reviewed by someone in the organization. If someone in the organization has read-or-write access, that data set needs an owner. Now that we know which folders need owners, we need to find out who in the organization has the knowledge and authority, the right organizational context, to be making decisions about access control. By looking at actual access activity, DBTRONIX has helped organizations identify data owners. If the data owner isn't in the most active users list, they probably work for the data owner. You're one phone call away from knowing exactly who in the organization is the right person to be involved in making access control decisions. Once we've found the data owners, the next challenge is providing them actionable information about their data. Traditionally, IT has provided data owners a long list of users that are either in their group or who have access to their data. It's too hard to look through and takes too long. Because we know who can access data and who is accessing data, DBTRONIX is able to make intelligent recommendations on where access can be reduced without affecting the business process. With that information, data owners can make intelligent decisions in reviewing access control. With data privilege, data owners get an easily digestible list of the users that have been added or removed since the last time they did an entitlement review, along with any recommendations on which users likely no longer need access. The next step in an entitlement review is for data owners to submit any changes back to IT. With a manual entitlement review, IT has to then go make those changes, either in Active Directory or on the file servers themselves. Automation is faster, and it also reduces the chance for error. The final step is making sure that the entitlement review process is properly audited. For many organizations, simply doing the entitlement review is not enough. They need to make sure that the process is recorded so that they can report on it later and prove that the entitlement reviews are being done. DBTRONIX provides an end-to-end solution for organizations that want to implement automated entitlement reviews. DBTRONIX can identify the data sets that need reviewing, identify data owners, and then make sure that access is reviewed and that the entire process is audited.